Whoa.
Are you dancing all over the room?
We're twirling in our skirt, in our tutu.
You're silly.
I think you're not ready for bed yet. You got too much energy still. I think everybody's tired but you.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're so silly.
Where's Grandpa?
Hey, where are you going?
Grandpa. Oh, we gotta get to the rocks. What are we gonna do with the rocks? What are we gonna do with those rocks?
Thank you.
Are we done dancing?
Balancing her on her legs. You gonna try to get all those picked up?
I don't want them. Okay, fine. I'll take them. Oh, I dropped them. Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, where are we gonna go? Don't put them in your mouth. No eating rocks. Rocks don't taste very good. No.
Just marks off their tutu. Just so cute.
What did you say to Grandpa?
Deanna, come back in here.
He's coming. Takes a while to navigate all those obstacles. Oh, where'd you put the rocks?
They got lost in
Here, you don't have a rock in your mouth, do
transportation.
ya? Deanna? Wow! It's a bird!
I can't see her.
It's a bird! Whoa! Wow!
Whoa!
Wow! Wow!
Hi.
Whoa!
Whoa. Changing the light.
Wow!
Yeah, wait till it comes on. I can get it up there.